this video, we're going to be talking about how to hide and unhide your WhatsApp chat. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for the chat that you want to go ahead and hide. And now all you need to really do is simply go ahead and long press on the chat right over here, as you can see. And the best way in order to go ahead and do this is going to be by locking your chat. So click on lock chat and click on continue. And once you do that, it's going to require a Face ID in order to go ahead and access it. And as you can see, it's not available on the normal dashboard, as you can see. Now, all you need to do in order to go ahead and find this chat is going to be by searching the name, as you can see, and you can simply go ahead and unlock it with your Face ID. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.